रियलाइजिंग कि कैरियर कॉमेडी में ही है तो ऑटोमेटिकली इंस्पिरेशन इज कमिंग. एनीवे गाइस, हाउ आर यू डूइंग? I know, long day. So I have been asked to do comedy, but I'm also talking about safety and innovation. तो मैं इसको दो तरीके से कर सकते हैं. Either I can do a serious talk, or we can do it stand-up comedy style. What would you like?
Stand-up.
Stand-up comedy style?
Yes.
Then audience should also be stand-up comedy style.
Yep.
Audience cannot be academic style, and performer is stand-up comedy style. You can't do that, right? So how is a stand-up comedy audience? जैसे उन्होंने कहा, If you like something, laugh out loud. If you like it more, you can clap. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. और if you don't like it, कोई बात नहीं. मैं नीचे के आप पास के बाहर में चला जाऊंगा. And I will reflect on my things. But don't worry, we'll also be talking about innovation and safety, so we'll do it together. Okay, so first of all, I want that little energy to change. Are you guys ready for some stand-up comedy?
Yes!
Alright, that's very nice. My name is Dr. Jagdish Chaturvedi. I'm an ENT surgeon and a sinus specialist. Those with allergy, give me an achhi. ये देखो देखो कहाँ गए हो? कौन बोलता है ईएनटी में फ्यूचर नहीं है? ये देखो अच्छी बोलते ही, you know, so many people with allergy. अच्छी, thank God I'm not a gastroenterologist. Yeah, I know that takes some time to spread. मैं डकार की बात कर रहा था, but I know what you are thinking. Don't even think about gynecology, है पीछे. Gynecology, urology नहीं, but it's nice यार. See, I like conferences like these. ऐसे ही होने चाहिए conferences. हमारे doctors हैं, the doctors know how our medical conference. How many doctors here in the room? में cheer? ये रहे पूछ रहे who? Okay, it's nice. Our medical conferences are not. This is how conferences should be, where one speaker is there, or you know, and you have the entire undivided attention of the audience. हमारे medical conferences में ऐसा नहीं होता. मेरे medical conference में audience ही नहीं होती. Like I remember the first time I got invited after I finished my post graduation. मुझे एक email आया. Subject line invitation. मैंने बोला खोला. We would like to invite you to become a speaker. अभी पास हुआ हूँ. वो भी बहुत अटेम्प्ट के बाद. You want me to be speaker at our prestigious conference? And I'm a married person, तो मैंने तुरंत हाँ बोल दिया. Because I know what it means to be a speaker. I can speak. I will get a platform to speak and people will listen to me. मेरा ओपिनियन हो सकता है, मैं बोल सकता हूँ. मैंने बोल दिया हाँ, yes, I want to be speaker. Thank you for your confirmation. Registration fee 25,999. NEFT या UPI आप कर सकते हैं. इज्जत चली गई ऑलरेडी बोल के कि हाँ अब तो देना पड़ेगा. ये पहले नहीं बताया था. But in our conferences, you know, when I go for these conferences, you know, as a speaker, I prepared my talk. But when I went to the conference, I realized he is also speaker, she is also speaker, he is also speaker, she is also speaker. Everybody is speaker. सबने 25,000 दिया है. And इतने speaker हो गए that we don't have one audience in one hall. We have multiple halls. A, B, C, D, E. My talk was in hall P, B. P का A और B भी था. Pre-lunch मेरा सेशन दिया गया था. जब तक मैं I went into my room, there were only 4 people in the hall. By the time I went on stage, there was only 1 person in the audience.
Oh my God.
In the spirit of speaking, I gave my talk only to realize that he was the next speaker. So I'm very thankful, organizers, that you have given me so many audiences. And I am the speaker over here and I can get to talk. It's nice. ऐसे ही होने चाहिए conferences, but it's nice, guys. But innovation is also important. I know the doctor introduced me with some innovations, and safety is a very important part of innovation. If you look at most innovations, में safety ही crux रहता है. Because will you use an unsafe innovation? Sir, ये आप कान में डालिए और फिर उस डॉक्टर के पास जाइए. आप नहीं यूज करोगे, राइट? सेफ्टी इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. एंड फॉर मी, आई नेवर वांटेड टू बी एन इनोवेटर. सी डोंट गेट मी रॉन्ग. यहाँ पे डॉक्टर को बुला लिया, स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी कर रहे हैं, आप ये जज कर रहे होगे कि दैट आई एम नॉट अ गुड स्टूडेंट. करेक्ट, राइट? ये स्टडीज में अच्छा नहीं होगा इसलिए कॉमेडी कर रहा है. बट लेट मी टेल यू गाइज नथिंग. इफ देयर इज वन थिंग एज अ चाइल्ड, एज अ मेडिकल स्टूडेंट, व्हिच आई वाज पैशनेट अबाउट, वाज स्टडीइंग. अब मेरे दोस्तों से, पेरेंट्स से किसी भी पूछ लो ये क्या करता रहता है, पढ़ता रहता है. Because I loved studying anatomy, physiology, biochemistry. I loved some subjects, studying it so much, I studied them for many years. See, again you are judging me. It is for the love of the subject. यार इतना important fundamental होता है anatomy एक सर्जन के लिए, एक साल में खत्म. ये क्या इंसाफी है? No, you have to imbibe. See, for a surgeon, at least 3-4 years for each part of the body, right? थोड़ा सा फंडामेंटल बेसिक्स ना. ऐसे कैसे नहीं सर, हो गया जाओ ये लो गोल्ड मेडल, नहीं क्या है यार. थोड़ा सा, राइट? लाइक आप विच सर्जन विल यू गो टू? समवन हु हैज स्टडीड एनाटॉमी फॉर 5 years या कट गोल्ड मेडल. Basics, you know. And in my MBBS, I loved studying a lot, you know. And I always used to fantasize, you know. I wanted to treat patients. I come from a family of doctors. I've heard all their stories. मुझे भी अपने patient देखने. And I remember that, you know, we have this thing called internship, right? Internship is the first time you get to see a patient independently. I was in a district government hospital in Tumkuru. You know where Tumkuru is? वहां पर है वो. जहां तक आप सोच भी नहीं सकते. पहली बार आपने नाम सुना है. Exactly. ठीक है. Little bit north from Bangalore, और 70-80 kilometers का एक छोटा सा टाउन है, गांव कह सकते हैं. And in a district hospital, I had to do my first day of internship. And I was so excited, guys. That first day, I am going to see my patient. मैं fantasize कर रहा था, who will be my first patient? See, हमारा first बहुत close रहता है. Like we are very close to our first, right? You know, our first love, our first kiss, our first marriage, our first divorce. First is very close to us. It is your first. I used to think, who is going to be that first patient who is going to be on receiving end on this wealth of knowledge I have gained? Which average student doing 5.5 years, मैंने 10 साल तक वो education किसको receive होने वाली है वो? Who is it? Is it going to be a child? Is it going to be an old person? Is it going to be a male patient, female patient? I don't know. I was very, very anxious. मैंने उससे पहले वाले दिन तो इतना मैंने पूरा रिवाइज किया, इतना एग्जाम के पहले भी रिवाइज नहीं किया, because I wanted to treat my first patient so nicely, with all that tender love and care, human empathy, emotions, knowledge, right investigations, you know. नारियल तोड़ने वाला था almost. But when I went to my first day, I was posted in medicine ward, in medicine. First day OPD, I was not greeted in the way I expected it. He was a very terrified looking attender. बोला था सर ब्रेकफास्ट खा लिया? मैंने बोला हाँ खा लिया. सर सोच लो. मैंने बोला हाँ सोच लिया. ऐसा क्या, खा तो लिया. सर ब्रेकफास्ट ढंग से खाया है ना? मैंने बोला हाँ. Then he takes me from the back door into one small chamber. And in that small chamber there are 2 doors at the back like that. And something heavy is there behind those doors. I don't know what it is. I'm like, मेरा first patient आ गया. He's like, सर आपने breakfast खाया ना? मैंने बोला हाँ. Then he runs out from the other door and unleashes those 2 doors, and at least 50 to 100 people barged in at one time. Sir, BP, sir, sugar, sir, BP, sir, headache, sir. Who came first? मैं किसका मेमोरी बनाऊं? ऐसा सिचुएशन आ गया था that I would become the first patient. Within few seconds, क्योंकि बोल रहे थे अभी देखो मेरा ये हेड बीपी ओ लो इतने सारे लोग. I went into defense mode. I didn't go into academic mode. I was like, okay, headache, paracetamol. Fever, paracetamol. Don't understand, X-ray करके ले. मेरे को थोड़ा टाइम मिलेगा. तब तक मैं भाग जाऊंगा. Because that is, see, this is the reality in medicine. We don't get that much time you prepare or you are supposed to get. Hello sir, how are you doing? Please sit down. How can I help you? BP that. ऐसा रहता है. You know, खुद का BP हिल जाता है. You know. And if the World Health Organization says you should have 1 doctor for 1,000 people, and recently in 2024 February they said in India there's 1 doctor for 800 patients, even better than World Health Organization. But when you go to a place like Tumkuru, वहां तो कोई डॉक्टर जाना नहीं चाहता. They all want to go to America or Britain, you know. वहां पर 1:800 रेशियो नहीं है, वहां 1:10,20,000 रेशियो होता है. You don't have time more than 30 to 60 seconds to see that patient or become a patient yourself. But दो ही ऑप्शन है, right? And in that time, how does some student who has imbibed all this knowledge, wants to treat patient, can do justice to a patient? How do you show human care? How do you give them the right amount of care, right? And post graduation में तो अलग ही level. In addition to this number of patients, you have a खड़ूस boss. Thesis, research, all of these things. You know, I used to be sent when I got into ENT. I was from St. John's Medical College, Bangalore. ये तो सुना है?
Yeah.
Yes. You joined? Okay, yeah. So that right. So St. John's Medical College, quite a popular college, and they used to send doctors like us, junior doctors to us, to a village to screen patients for cancer, throat cancer. And एक तो, you know, even today. Right, we're in 2024. All of you are using gadgets and phones. You know how we see the throat even today? We ask the patient to sit in front of us and we ask them to open their mouth and we see Zuba Kesari. दाने दाने में है केसर का दम जो यहां तक आ रहा है. Then if you are lucky, you will get gloves. Otherwise, with your bare hand, you have to hold that wriggly red tongue. And you have to pass a long probe with a mirror. Mirror, guys, 2024. Hold that tongue, pass the mirror at the back till you can hear this clinical sign called Then with that fogging, अगर वो enough नहीं है, they will give you एक जलता हुआ bullseye lamp. Not even headlight. इसका नाम ही bullseye lamp है. ये इतना गर्म होता है कि सूरज ठंडा फील करता है, यू नो. दिस विल बी एट योर शोल्डर ऑलमोस्ट. मेरे इस तरफ के बाल तो जली गए थे. अब इसके लाइट का रिफ्लेक्शन उस मिरर के रिफ्लेक्शन पे 90 डिग्री नीचे, यू हैव टू सी द वॉइस बॉक्स. कुछ नहीं दिखता था. इट इज फॉगिंग लाइक द टाइटैनिक मूवी वाला सीन, यू नो. कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. बट वी एज डॉक्टर्स वी आर गोइंग देयर, राइट. अभी पेशेंट आया, पेशेंट इज अ डेली वेजर, इज अ फार्मर. अपना दिन का you know the earning that they have, they leave and they have come. अब हम लोग ये तो नहीं बोल सकते, हमको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा, तो we learn to make reassuring sounds like and then we write something. ठीक है, that is what we used to do, right? And I used to be sent with a senior, and senior doctors का काम है junior doctor की life नरक बनाना, you know. So one day he has examined somebody, okay? He has examined somebody's throat and he's telling me, Jagdish, tell me the findings in this patient. मैं गया, उसी हाथों से जुबां खोलम, मानिकचंद, मिरर डाला. मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. बट माई फ्रेंड टोल्ड जगदीश, व्हेनेवर अ सीनियर आस्क्स यू अ क्वेश्चन, टेल देम द मोस्ट सेफेस्ट आंसर. सो आई सेड, सर दिस पेशेंट इज नॉर्मल. कभी ना कभी तो हो ही जाएगा नॉर्मल. कुछ नहीं तो पूजा पाठ तो करता है, हो जाएगा बैलेंस लाइफ में. Said, sir, this patient is normal. He looks at me and says, Jagdish, thank God you could make out something. I couldn't make out anything myself.
Oh my God.
हम दोनों कपड़े बदल के नहा धो के सुबह 200 किलोमीटर दूर एक और गांव में जाते हैं. दोनों को घंटा नहीं पता क्या कर रहे हैं. Right? We're putting this mirror, this thing, खुद को चढ़ रही है. Right? And for me at that point of time, there was this very nice Bollywood movie, inspirational Bollywood movie called Swades released. How many of you watched this movie Swades?
Yes.
Yeah, Swades gives you that feeling कि हमें देश के लिए कुछ करना है, right? आपके अंदर का शाहरुख खान आ जाता है, कुछ करना है, right? And at that point of time, I felt very bad. I was like, यार ये patients हैं, they could have early throat cancer. हम लोगों को कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. हमको मिरर, बुलसाई लैंप देके, फॉगिंग, ये सब में वी आर नॉट एबल टू सी अर्ली स्टेज कैंसर. एंड समवेयर योर कॉन्शियंस उस समय होती है अलाइव व्हेन यू आर जूनियर, राइट. बाद में बड़े होते तो मर जाती है, बट उस समय होती है कॉन्शियंस. एंड आई वाज लाइक, यू नो, दिस इज नॉट राइट. एज डॉक्टर्स वी आर नॉट एबल टू रियली पिक कैंसर. हो सकता है आई एम मिसिंग आउट समबडीज कैंसर एंड दे आर डाइंग बिकॉज आई मिस्ड इट, राइट. और फिर वो शाहरुख खान का वो करके ना, आई डिड द थिंग दैट मोस्ट पीपल शुड नेवर डू, is confront your boss under the influence of Swades. I went to St. John's, I went into my HOD's room, Dr. Ravi Nair, उनको भी कभी बुलाइए. I have taken his permission to share this story. Right? He's known to be very angry, like, you know, angry. Anger मतलब, that's the where boss is, right? I enter his room after the influence of Swades and I'm like, sir. He's like, huh? Itni जोर से, sir? Sir, what is this, sir? What is this? Sir, we are going to these rural areas. We are using mirrors and lights. We are not able to see early stage cancer. Here, in our hospital, we have flat screen TV, halogen light, itna high resolution endoscopes. Jab tak patient yahan aata hai, we can see the cancer from outside. Till the referral pathway, he would have gone for 5-6 months. By the time he's having a lot of nodes and extension, you don't need a magnification like this over here. You need magnification like this in villages, where we have to see the patient for the first time. There you can't make out with mirror. You need endoscope cameras. He's like, "Wait, एक second. And then he just looked down like this at the end of his OPD. And he looks up at me. And this is his actual words that he talked to me that day. He said, "Jagdish, तू भौंकने वाला कुत्ता है कि काटने वाला कुत्ता है?" मेरे दिमाग में मैं तो ऑलरेडी कुत्ता हूं, तो वो तो ऑप्शन है नहीं। भौंकने वाला या काटने वाले में ही बताना है। ही इज माय थीसिस गाइड। तो मैंने सोचा यार भौंकने वाला कुत्ता इज नेवर गुड, नो, लाइक हैव यू हर्ड दिस मिंदर कुत्ते, इट्स नॉट। तो मैंने बोला चलो, आई थिंक ही वांट्स मी टू से सर आई एम अ काटने वाला कुत्ता। तो इसलिए तो भौंक क्यों रहा है? Why are you barking? At the end of my OPD, you have come under I don't know what, and you are saying, "Sir, ये कैमरा इधर क्यों नहीं है, वहाँ कैमरा क्यों नहीं है?" If you are a biting dog, then you do something about it. मेरे सामने आके क्यों भौंक रहा है? फिर मुझे धीरे धीरे रियलाइज हुआ मेरा कैरियर, HOD, थीसिस गाइड में बोलो पता नहीं क्या मैं कर रहा हूँ. So I said, "Sorry sir, no sir, I am a biting dog." It's like you do, if you want to do something about it, you do something about it. No. And I was like, he's got a point. Yeah, I should do something about it. And we get ideas, human beings, especially Indian human beings, we get ideas like we fall in love. हो गया, right? Idea दिमाग में आ गया. हम लोग प्यार के लिए रिसर्च करते हैं, शादी.com, कितना पे स्केल है, बट आइडिएशन में कोई रिसर्च नहीं करते. आइडिया तो आ जाता है. And I had an interesting idea. I was like, see, I have this digital cameras. I come from the era of digital cameras, not smartphones. Sony का वो जो digital camera था, and I had endoscope. So I was like, endoscope digital camera को अगर जोड़ दिया with one small attachment और कहीं से light source लगा दी, then I will be able to see actually a video on that camera, right? So this is what it looks like. You have a slide changer? Yeah, there is a slide changer. Yeah, so this is what I eventually ended up making, right? You can look at this. This is the actual image of the groom, and this is on Shaadi.com. मतलब ये स्टूडियो में लेके अच्छी तरह से दिखाया हुआ है, बट पीछे ये सब बैंडेजेस और घाव हैं of your painful history, right? So I eventually ended up making a camera which, so ये endoscopes हमारे पास होते हैं, right? ये वाले endoscopes हमारे पास होते हैं. This one you can see in the front, and this camera I took and put it in one casing so that both of them come together and I can actually see the voice box. And trust me guys, next time when I went to the village, and I, instead of the mirror, took out this gadget and passed it inside the throat of the patient, and I first time saw the vocal cords myself, and I could record it and show to the patient, and patient का immediate reaction था, "Sir, what is that white? I'm like, "That is Kalukoplakia. That is the precursor of cancer." Immediately his compliance changed. Otherwise वो हमको भरोसा नहीं कर रहे थे कि हम लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं. But now he's trusting technology. He's trusting a video camera. इसने अभी डाला, इसने रिकॉर्ड किया, क्लिक साउंड आया, and now I am seeing it. Immediately his compliance changed. He followed up every 3 days. Yeah. Followed up every 3 days. Took all the treatment, all the biopsies, everything till it was clear from cancer, and then he lit his next BD in front of me. Because he was relaxed. But point apart, that is what the difference. And I was so happy. I went to my boss. I'm like, "Doctor, sir, I am a काटने वाला कुत्ता. देखो काटा लगा." I have made a bite. I have made a bite. He was shocked. He was like, तूने seriously लिया मेरी बात को? मैं तो सबको डांटता रहता हूँ. But anyway, you would have not done anything, I would have forgiven you. But now I will not forgive you. I'm like, what does that mean? He's like, no, now you are on to something. This you have made something. This can be used by many people in villages, in rural areas. So now I want you to take this all the way to the market. I'm like, market? इसी को बेचते हैं? एक आप ले लो, मैं ले लूँ. It's like, look at that sellotape over there. इसको बेचेगा? This is not a product. This is just a prototype. ये 2 दिन में काम करना भी बंद हो जाएगा, शॉक भी दे सकता है. You make it like a proper device. And then bring it to the market. I'm like, sir, I don't know how to do it. I'm just a PG student. I just want to come and study. He's like, no, form a company. Startup company. Raise funds. Take this device to market. I'm like, company के लिए क्या चाहिए? You need another human being to become co-founder. I was like, another human being. So I had a wife at home. So I went to her and asked her, Janeman, do you want to form a company with me? She said, no. So I went to her sister. Next best option. उसने हाँ बोल दिया. See? एक ही ताली. She was an aeronautical engineer from IIT Madras and she was not getting a job. So she was like, हाँ मुझे engineering समझ में आती है. And her husband was an IIM Calcutta graduate. So business. तो हम लोगों ने, सब लोगों ने एक company बनाई called Yukti Medical Innovations. Worst decision of my life. क्योंकि कोई पैसा नहीं डाला था मैं. मुझे लगा कि आइडिया अच्छा है, लोग ऐसे ऐसे बांटेंगे पैसे, यूं यूं यूं, right? But it's not like that. That is not. People never invest on the product or the idea. People invest on the people. And what were we doing as people? I am a postgraduate. मैं निकाली 2-3 घंटे in a day निकाल सकता हूँ. She was also part-time. He was also part-time. Nobody invests in part-time people, right? And we really struggled. At the most, we made it little better looking. ऐसा photo shoot करा लिया. But after that, I went to Dr. Ravi Nair and said, "Sir, मुझसे नहीं होगा, sir. I tried. I have to focus on my studies. I'm here to become an ENT doctor." So he also felt like, "Yaar, am I pressurizing the student so much?" इसलिए बोला, "ठीक है, मत बनो." But then he said, Jagdish, if you don't know how to invent, we doctors in India don't know how to invent, somebody must be knowing how to invent. I'm like, yes, sir, somebody must be knowing. Then it's like, learn from them and come. Learn from them. Sir, मैं यही करता रहूँगा क्या? He found out that there was this very interesting program called Stanford India Biodesign in Delhi में, from AIIMS and IIT Delhi with Stanford University US. And he said, why don't you take a fellowship? इसकी opening आई है, I saw it. So why don't you go? And guys, in 2012, the year I got selected for this program, I was the only doctor in the entire country who applied for this program. Because nobody else applied to this program. Nobody else even knew about this program. One person knew about this program, which was Dr. Ravi Nair. क्योंकि ये किसी टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में छोटे से कॉलम में राइट में आया था. And doctors did not know that there is a program like this that exists. मेरे को प्रोफाइल देख के they put me on waiting list. They're like, we'll get a better candidate. And after that, when they didn't find any other better candidate, they finally selected me. And we've been talking about multidisciplinary, right? Multidisciplinary. The whole funder of this particular program is multidisciplinary. A healthcare person, a doctor, a scientist, an engineer, or a designer. 4 लोग इंडिया से select हुए, and we were sent to Stanford University in USA to learn this particular program, right? And when I went to Stanford University USA, I had 2 big learnings. Okay, that is the part of my set here today. One of the learnings was that the people who were training us how to become innovators were doctors from India with American accents. Raj Doshi, Uday Kumar, Anurag Meral. I'm like, हम लोग 7 समुंदर पार करके 3 फ्लाइट हॉप ओवर लेके यहाँ पर आए. हमें कोई जेसिका या एंड्रू तो दो यार. Like, what am I going to tell home के दोषी अंकल पढ़ा रहे हैं? Right? And I went to Dr. Raj Doshi. I'm like, Dr. Doshi, how come you are teaching us how to invent? He's like, what have you done? Like, where did you do your MBBS from? He said, Mumbai, Ghatkopar. Ghatkopar, Mumbai. He trained from India. And then how did you come to the US? No, I wanted to be a mechanical engineer, and then I became a cardiologist. You became अवतार है क्या? Mechanical engineer से cardiologist. Like हम लोग first 4 days, the 4 of us were only drinking alcohol. just to try to get a grasp of यार हो क्या रहा है यार, हम लोग गवर्नमेंट पेड मनी से इधर आ रहे हैं, हमारे लोग ही हमको सिखा रहे हैं how to invent. And one day we went and confronted, we're like, Dr. Raj Doshi, how come you are teaching us how to invent, we are not able to invent in India, we have got the same training. He's like, Jagdish, see, when you come to a university like Stanford, and if you walk outside this door, right, you will see a product designer, you will see a business graduate, you will see a doctor, you will see a healthcare, you will see models, a lot of them are there, right? Everything is in one campus. If a doctor wants to study MBA, they can go and take an MBA class. If someone from MBA wants to study a physiology class, they can attend a physiology class. Everything is in one campus. So if you have an idea and you want to form a company, you can find any of these people in a cafeteria. And then you can form a company. And Stanford University will give you a sabbatical so that you can go to the Bay Area where there are the venture capitalists who will invest in your startup just like Google did. And then you and I can both make a lot of money. I'm like, sir, यही invention तो हम इंडिया में import करते हैं 80%. 10 times the cost at our hospitals. And we struggle to use it because they are not made for our environment. These kind of devices, right? These kind of devices are not there over there. Right? The kind of devices that are there over there are those large screen TVs, but we don't have that kind of requirement over here. Right? We import all of those. But this device failed, okay? But this device failed, right? This one didn't go anywhere. But when I went through this program, I learned one thing. How they invent is not by falling in love. They do by observation. They take a team of engineer, designer, scientist, doctor, and they observe. Like पूरा समय observe ही करते रहो. Like me as a doctor, 3 महीना में ऐसे ही खड़ा होकर देख रहा था. When some of the other hospital, the patients felt a little uncomfortable. ये लोग 4 लोग क्यों घूर रहे हैं? Right? And we are observing for things that are going wrong. And then we are making note of it, and then we are improving it like that. When I came back to Delhi, we became so good at observation that we would observe everything. Even at night, we'll open our eyes and sleep. Once we went to Connaught Place, 4 of us, and we were observing. Okay. A lot of girls got a little upset. They're like, "Kya dekh raha hai? What are you looking at?" I'm like, "We're looking if you have any unmet needs." And then we became observations at the casualty of AIIMS Hospital, where other people were observing the caste application to our hands and legs. Because that's what observation-based stuff, right? But guys, I was doing something fundamentally wrong in this device. That is why it was not going well. Because we don't know how to invent. Can you guys guess what is the mistake I did? It is safety related. There is a big mistake that was there in this particular device. Think about it. I made an endoscopy device for villages. Who can use endoscopes? Doctors were trained in endoscopes. They can do endoscopes. But do you have those doctors in rural areas?
No.
You don't. So will just an MBBS pass doctor or a health worker be able to do endoscopy? They won't be able to do endoscopy, right? And they cause injuries, safety. So what we did is we improved the safety component and we made a device like this. And the moment we made it, a large medtech company called Medtronic India bought this device from us and trained 10,000 health workers here in Delhi to screen patients for ENT problems. And the moment they did that, 10 lakh patients got trained. Because all the safety parameters were there in this. It cannot hurt the drum. It will be safe. No heat, no injury, all of that. And then afterwards I got recognized. I went to one of the conferences. And when I went to a conference, there was a very enthusiastic medical representative. And she came to me and said, "Sir, आप ENT हो?" मैंने बोला हाँ. Then आपको ये device लेनी चाहिए sir. You are incomplete without this device. I'm like, I know about this device. Like, how do you know about this device? Like, I made it. And then she took this photo with me and the device. Because for an innovator, your biggest compliment is someone coming and trying to sell you your own device.
Yes.
Right? Because that means it has grown and scaled at such a level कि वहाँ तक आ गया. And from there, because it screened millions of patients, it became, I got recognized in the 35 under 35. But this product also failed, guys. Medtronic did not take it beyond. Just before COVID, this program was shut down, Shruti Eye here, because it was too expensive. Right? It was about 80,000 rupees per device. So kabhi mujhe lagta hai ki license out karke galti kar li. But anyway, I went back and one day Dr. Ravi Nair said, Jagdish, he invited me for a talk. And after the talk, I talked about all my innovation experiences and I thought he'll be very happy. And I did a moonwalk back saying ki shabashi milegi. And he's like, Jagdish, to abhi bhi bhonk raha hai. मैंने बोला सर क्या बात कर रहे हो सर, मैं तो आई एम डूइंग ENT, आई एम ऑल्सो इन्वेंटिंग, आई एम एक्चुअली मेकिंग डिवाइसेस. इज लाइक बट यू आर बार्किंग अबाउट इट. कितनी जगह जाके टॉक देगा? You can't talk everywhere in the country. So many doctors, so many healthcare providers are there. So you need to do something about it. So we're like, what shall I do to please you? So he said, write a book. So I wrote a book purely for him. I wrote this book called Inventing Medical Devices, which has got only mistakes and failures. I made about 10 mistakes and failures. I wrote about it. Within 3 months, this became a bestseller. Because people like reading about failures. And that's a very important thing. The one thing we avoid is actually a gold mine. Failures. Because immediately you read about somebody else's failures, आपको अपने बारे में अच्छा लगता है. Right? Because you automatically feel, यार मैं इतना बुरा तो नहीं हूँ. Because this has got only mistakes, there were no successes. And once I wrote this, I wrote 3 more books on failures that became very successful. But anyway, long story short, guys, I don't want to hold you up for tea. But this is the same device which later on we evolved over a period of time. To make now the current version of this device, you can see the ear like this portably. You can see it. There are nurses who use this device in ICU patients, in the wards, post-op patients, because you can't shift the ICU patient to different places. But this is now a portable device which will go into your pocket, connects to your phone or an iPad, and you can see this image and you can send it to an ENT doctor in your department or to us, and we can provide that. So the innovations keep evolving, safety keeps evolving. We also got a patent granted for this last year. And if you felt this story was interesting for you to hear, but you want to watch it in a more entertaining way, there is a web series out there called Starting Troubles on Jio Cinema, which Renuka Shane and all the other Bollywood actors from Munna Bhai MBBS are also there. So if you want to watch this, you can experience it. But with that, guys, thank you very much. You've been a wonderful audience. And I hope you found this interesting and useful along with humor. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr.